gon' shake. The party gon' fire, then I probably hit the match. This is my crew, and you took this ain't a mess. Fresh, then I call that Jazzy jump. Unless you with my public, then I play you to the left. Niggas doesn't do when they get reckless, that they don't be acting reckless. Hold up, forget it, I don't even have my license. Top still full of joker, almost as he light skin. I just do it, tell your baby, don't you get the hype. And now I'm ducking from the Paris maze. Probably catch me in a taxi with some package in the cop. I'm tryna run so they don't catch me. And you think I got the catch me? I'm never looking flashy. He never looking flashy. Rapping circles on these jokers. Man, you way too weak and corny. Tiger circles on these jokers. Man, I'm trapping like a hot boy. All my failures, questions, successes, I'm flipping like a skateboard.
Hope y'all enjoyed that nice little clip of Ashanti wreaking havoc as she should. Shot by Oscar over at Novus Garage. Y'all go check him out. He already got it posted on his channel, but let's give you guys our future plans for the car and for our channel. Within the next couple months, we will be bringing my build to the channel where we're going to be doing a couple minor upgrades to it. As well down the line, we will be doing an engine swap. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, you can. Now we're going to tell you guys the plans that we got for the Mustang.
Alright, so if y'all don't know the performance models on the car, you can look in the link below. But basically, we got 4 stages we trying to build this car in. So right now we in stage 1. So basically my goal at stage 1 is to go with full bolt-ons, E85, you know, make about 470, maybe 480 horsepower. Maybe even take some weight out. I want to run a low 11, maybe a high 10. But remember, this isn't just a drag car, which is why I did the suspension how I did it. So I want to be able to still take it on an autocross track or a road course track and, you know, still be able to drive it, not just go in a straight line. But stage 2, we're gonna go with heads and cams because I want to go with the really aggressive NA setup. I don't see them too often on these cars because they're just flat out expensive. For the money, it's not really worth it, but I want to see what we can do with it. So, you know, we're gonna make it work. Then after that, I want to go boost in stage 3. And I'm not going to disclose what form of boost I want to go with yet, but we'll be getting to that later on as we get closer to it. In stage 4, I'll end up building the engine. But remember, this is the car that I want to do everything with. It's not just a straight line car, so you got to keep that in mind when I'm building it, how I build it. But with that being said, we're not going to be one of those YouTubers who just builds a car, doesn't race it, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to build it and we're going to drive the hell out of it. It's not going to be just sitting there and looking pretty. I'm not just going to take it on highway. Like, I want actual data to see what this car does. So just stay tuned for that. We're going to keep y'all in the loop and it's going to get real interesting. Y'all just stay tuned.